Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Storm Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to pre-built gaming PCs that strike a balance between performance, reliability, and value, the Skytech Gaming Storm Desktop PC is a system that immediately stands out. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a casual player, or someone stepping into PC gaming for the first time, this machine brings together modern hardware and thoughtful design in a way that delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience right out of the box. Let's start with the heart of this system, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor. With a base clock of 3.7 GHz and a turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, this CPU offers excellent multi-core performance. That means not only can it handle modern games with ease, but it also performs exceptionally well in multitasking scenarios. If you're someone who likes to game while streaming, recording gameplay, or running background apps like Discord or Chrome, this processor holds up without breaking a sweat. It's a reliable and proven chip that delivers consistent performance across a wide range of tasks. Pairing that processor with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 Ti 8GB graphics card is where this PC really begins to shine. This GPU is designed for modern gaming, offering strong performance in 1080p and even pushing into 1440p territory, depending on the game. You can expect smooth frame rates in popular titles like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Apex Legends, Valorant, and more, often at ultra or high settings. The inclusion of newer GPU architecture also means support for advanced features like ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, giving your games a more realistic and immersive look when supported. Moving on to memory and storage, the system includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3,200 MHz. This is considered the sweet spot for gaming in 2026, allowing for smooth gameplay and efficient multitasking. Most modern games will run comfortably with this amount of memory, and you won't feel bottlenecked even with multiple applications open. If needed, there's usually room to upgrade in the future, which is always a plus for longevity. Storage is handled by a 1 TB NVMe SSD, and this is a major highlight. Compared to traditional hard drives, NVMe SSDs are significantly faster. We're talking lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and overall snappy system responsiveness. Whether you're launching Windows, opening large files, or jumping into a game, everything feels quick and fluid. A full terabyte also gives you plenty of space to install multiple AAA games without constantly worrying about storage. Cooling and case design are also well thought out in this build. The Skytech Storm case features a mesh front panel for improved airflow, paired with RGB fans that not only help keep temperatures under control, but also add a visually appealing aesthetic. The high-performance air cooler ensures that the CPU stays within safe temperature ranges even during long gaming sessions. Good airflow is critical in pre-built systems, and Skytech has done a solid job here. Powering the system is a 650W gold-rated power supply, which is both efficient and reliable. This ensures stable power delivery to all components and leaves a bit of headroom for future upgrades. A quality PSU is often overlooked, but it's a crucial part of any gaming PC, and it's great to see a gold-rated unit included here. Connectivity is another strong point. With built-in Wi-Fi, multiple USB ports including USB 3.0 and 3.2, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and HD audio support, you're fully covered for peripherals and networking. Whether you're plugging in a gaming headset, streaming setup, or multiple monitors, this system is ready to go. One thing that many users will appreciate is that this PC comes with Windows 11 pre-installed and no unnecessary bloatware. That means you get a clean, optimized system right from the start without having to spend time uninstalling unwanted apps. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in user experience. Skytech also includes a gaming keyboard and mouse in the box, which is a nice bonus, especially for beginners who may not already have peripherals. While they may not be premium accessories, they're perfectly usable and help you get started immediately. In terms of real-world gaming performance, this PC is capable of running a wide range of popular and demanding titles at ultra settings in 1080p with smooth frame rates above 60 FPS. Games like Elden Ring, Baldur's Gate 3, Cyberpunk-style titles, and competitive shooters all run reliably well. For esports players, you can even push into higher frame rates for a competitive edge. Of course, no system is perfect. Advanced users might eventually want to upgrade the RAM to 32 gigabytes or add additional storage as their game library grows. Also, depending on the exact brand of GPU included, slight variations in cooling or noise levels can occur. But these are minor considerations in an otherwise very solid package. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Storm Desktop PC is a fantastic choice for gamers who want strong performance without the hassle of building a PC themselves. It delivers where it matters most: gaming power, fast storage, reliable components, and clean setup, all wrapped in a visually appealing and well-cooled case. If you're looking for a dependable gaming PC that can handle today's titles and stay relevant for years to come, this system is absolutely worth considering.